Another benefit is I use this biogas for cooking. From the plant, we have pipes which bring it up here, and this is the stove. So we have a valve here for turning it on. Turn it on like that. The gas comes, then light it like that, and then you put your water. This is very clean. You don't waste time. You just put it on immediately, and you can cook food to a family of about 6 people. You can cook fresh beans. You can bring okosho using this gas. And it can serve for over 6 to 8 hours.
Does it produce smoke?
No.
Does it produce?
There is no smoke at all. So it can help us avoid the challenges of smoke, so that the women don't suffer from these cancers and what have you. And they will have enough time. Because if I am to make tea, I just put it here, and then you go and do something else, come and pick it up, and you serve the tea. Now, another benefit is the bioceramic. The bioceramic helps you to get huge branches. So the garden is this is the size of branch I get from such a garden.
So how much is this bunch?
This branch goes at minimum 20,000.
10,000.
Uganda shillings.
So do you think biogas has helped you to generate this?
Yes, because at first these branches were small, but after using biogas, I now built a big batch. So my family is food secure, my family is income secure, and we are healthy because we no longer use this firewood. And then the other benefit is because of the biogas, we save the energy. And then the money that we used to use for buying like firewood, buying the inorganic fertilizers, is now saved, and we do other projects. I will show you a project which I started because I saved the money. I started the apple tree project. After saving money and selling some branches, I now have a tree project. And all this is because biogas has been helping me. And as I said earlier, it saves time. And when I put the water there, I will come and feed the bird. And I'll feed the bird. And at the end of it all, we will have another good project. And also another benefit from this batch is I've increased on the amount of manure now, both from poultry and the batch.
Do you also do savings in your groups?
Yes, we do savings in our groups, and fact members are very involved in their parishes. They do what we call village level savings. And why I'm promoting this project is they will save time, they will save money, and they will be able to run those village level savings groups.